Hey guys, Melissa back for recipe number 2, week 2 of my Recipe Wednesdays. Today we're going to make a peppermint mocha homemade, and believe me, this to me is just as good as any $3 to $6 to $7 peppermint mocha I can buy anywhere, and I can make it right here in my home. So once again, I have on my festive outfit. I have on my little Christmas apron, and we're ready to go. So we're going to flip it around and we're going to show you how to make a peppermint mocha at home. Need for the ingredients for this peppermint mocha is some just coffee creamer, some regular sugar, a K-cup pod. I just have the Great Value peppermint mocha, a coffee cup, a peppermint candy cane, and some chocolate syrup. And this comes from Dollar General. This is Dollar General chocolate syrup. So all you're going to do with this is come over to your Keurig. All right, put your cake up in your Keurig. Let your Keurig be heating up, getting ready. And then you're going to come over here to your coffee cup, and you're going to need some whip top. You're going to need some whipped topping to go on it also. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your spoon. Now I like mine sweet. You may not like yours sweet. So I put 3 teaspoons of sugar. I know, it's a lot. And then I put 3 teaspoons of creamer, which you do this to your liking. If you don't like it this sweet, then cut it back some. Alright, so that's in there. You got those two. You move your cup over to the Keurig. You push the button. Make sure you use the biggest one, because that's what's going to fill your cup up the most. Here it goes, filling up. Can you believe that I do not have not one single Christmas mug? I do not know what happened to all my Christmas mugs. So we're just having to use a pretty spring one. Okay, we have our peppermint mocha in our cup. We're going to stir it up, get everything really good and dissolved. You stir it a little bit with your peppermint stick, and your peppermint stick will start melting. Alright, and then we're going to put our whipped topping. This is so unhealthy, but it's the holidays, right? And then you're going to take your syrup, and you're going to give it a little swirl. And there you have it, your peppermint mocha. It tastes just as good as McDonald's, Starbucks, any of them. And you made it for basically pennies, because the box of peppermint mocha cups were like $4 and something for one box, and I paid more than $4 for one peppermint mocha at Starbucks. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next Wednesday, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you made it or if you like this video. Okay, until next Wednesday, y'all have a good night. Merry Christmas.